All right, one more segment to this overview, and then we can get to work. So we talked about page 1 of your brain dump and page 2 of your brain dump, the flashcards, the ITTO exercises, what you're going to read and retain on a best effort basis, including the PMBOK guide, the study guide, and our e-learning course, the study group where you can do a bunch of practice questions every week. And now, how do we distribute our efforts across all these different types of effort? So here's a starting point. And you can figure out what makes sense for you, but just as a starting point for your plan of action, you could consider this. We have 10 minutes a day for page 1 of your brain dump, and another 10 minutes a day for page 2 of your brain dump, and another 10 minutes a day for the flashcards. That adds up to 3.5 hours a week right there. And then we have the ITTO exercises. Let's give that 20 minutes 3 times a week. What are you going to read and retain on a best effort basis? Let's give that 2 hours a week. And then the study group, let's give that 1.5 hours a week. So this all adds up to 8 hours a week. And that's the baseline you want to put in. That's the level of effort required to prepare for this PMP exam. And with this level of effort, it's still going to take you 3 months, typically, to prepare for the exam. And it's a fairly complicated regimen, so to keep track of your efforts and hold yourself accountable, I've created this tracking sheet. We see a check mark representing the 10 minutes a day you're supposed to be spending on page 1 of your brain dump, and again on page 2 of your brain dump, and again on the flashcards. We see check marks for the ITTOs 3 times during the week. We see check marks for each 30 minutes of reading, and here we've got it just for example as 1 hour on Saturday and 1 hour on Sunday. And we see that 3 check marks representing 90 minutes of study group session on Mondays. It all adds up to 31 points, and that's our goal. The second segment is where we're going to put in our plan for this upcoming week. And because of our schedule, we adjust things a little bit, but we're still targeting these total of 31 points. And then the third, the top segment, is what we actually ended up doing this week. So we fell short here and there. We didn't do page 2 of the brain dump on Wednesday. We missed the flashcards on Wednesday and Sunday. The ITTOs, we only did them twice during the week. The reading, we only did 90 minutes, not 2 hours. And study group, we were late and we only got 1 check mark. So we fell short in several different areas. We only racked up 23 points. And so we can't hide from ourselves when we look at this. We realize that we fell short and we need to do better next week, because if we don't put in the required level of effort, we're not going to get ready for the test successfully.